Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Mercedes A200 Sport. This car comes with the 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 161 brake horsepower and while still returning up to an impressive 47 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 23 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 22,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic mountain grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got a really clean interior. Being the Sport, you've also got the sport seats there, which are half leather. There's an armrest in the centre there for the front passengers with a useful cubby hole underneath. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers, and also climate control. The front seats are also heated, so you've got your button there on the door card. And just below that, on the door handle, you've got your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Opening the rear doors reveals a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a little bit of extra storage as well as your first aid kit and your tyre inflator. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.